Today, I'll show you how to connect Databricks to Power BI. Whether you're looking to visualize data or perform complex analyses, connecting these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and enhance your data insights. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to SQL warehouses, which might also be labeled as Compute, in the left sidebar of your Databricks workspace. This is where you'll find all the necessary details to establish a successful connection to Power BI. Once you're in the right section, locate and select the warehouse or cluster that you want to connect to Power BI. It's crucial to ensure that you're choosing the right one, especially if you manage multiple warehouses or clusters. After selecting your warehouse or cluster, you'll see a tab labeled Connection Details. Clicking on this tab will reveal two key pieces of information: the server hostname and the HTTP path. These components will act as the bridge between Databricks and Power BI, so make sure to copy them carefully. The server hostname typically looks like a URL, such as ADB followed by some characters and azuredatabricks.net. Meanwhile, the HTTP path will usually start with a / followed by some numbers and letters. Now, let's jump over to Power BI Desktop on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you'll need to download it from the Microsoft website. Once it's open, navigate to the Home tab, which should be visible at the top of the screen. Here, you'll find an option called Get Data. Click on it, and then select More to access a wider range of data sources. In the search bar that appears, type in Azure Databricks or just Databricks. Once you see it in the list, select it and then click Connect. This is the moment where those details you copied earlier come into play. When prompted, paste the server hostname and the HTTP path into the appropriate fields. Double-check them to ensure there are no errors, as even a small typo can prevent a successful connection. Next, you'll be asked to select your data connectivity mode. You can choose between Direct Query or Import, depending on your needs. Direct Query allows you to query data directly from Databricks, which is ideal for real-time data analysis. On the other hand, the Import mode is useful if you need to work with a snapshot of your data offline. Once you've made your choice, click OK to proceed. And there you have it. You've now connected Databricks to Power BI, enabling you to leverage the analytical power of both platforms seamlessly. This connection opens up a world of possibilities for data visualization and analysis, offering you deeper insights and more informed decision-making. Remember, the key to a successful connection lies in carefully following each step and ensuring that all details are entered accurately. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on maximizing your data tools. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.